Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make liquid pizza without kneading or oven. Very simple to do, ready in 5 minutes. So guys, just get all your ingredients ready and start making your pizza. Hello, you're welcome to Cooking with EJ. So first I'm going to start making the pizza dough. I have 1 cup of flour and a teaspoon of yeast, then half teaspoon of salt added. Now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice if you don't have olive oil. So now I'm going to add warm water, then mix the dough. Like I said, we are making liquid dough. No kneading today, no oven, just a quick one. Get your pan ready and mix the dough. So before mixing this flour, I've already cut all the vegetables and sausage that I will use in making this pizza. So I mix the pizza very well to make sure that it's no lumps in it. So after mixing the dough, I'm going to set it aside and leave it up to 15 minutes. Then now we're going to start making our pizza sauce, non-cooked. I have 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, teaspoon of oregano, teaspoon of pepper flakes, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of bouillon, chicken bouillon. Then here is some paste of garlic, okay, half teaspoon. So I added some water and I will continue to mix. So I will mix everything and make sure that all the ingredients mix together. So lovely, if this is your first time coming to my channel, you are welcome. Relax, enjoy yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So now I have the ingredients. I have mozzarella, I have basil leaves fresh, then I have all the paprika, orange, yellow, red and green, optional, you can use any one. Then I have sausage and onions. So now I added some oil into the pan, which is olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Then I added the pizza dough, the liquid pizza, into the pan. Then I'll allow it to spread around the pan. Then now I'm going to start adding our pizza sauce. Guys, have you used this pizza sauce without cooking? Try it, you're going to like it. So you continue to add the pizza sauce on top of the dough. Please add it so gently. Don't touch your spoon on top of the dough because you know it's very liquid. So I just use the mouth of the spoon just to touch it lightly so that the tomato will spread. So we have some grated mozzarella, then I sprinkle on top of the tomatoes, on top of the pizza sauce, which is the tomatoes. So now I'm going to add the vegetables, the mixed vegetables. So you can add it the way you love, okay? You can add any vegetable, any protein of your choice. This is the one I have and this is the one I'm using. So add it, design it, make it beautiful, okay, the way you would love to eat it. But when you are adding these things, see the way I'm doing it, add at the center, okay, at the center. Don't put all around the pizza, just be adding it at the center and add it lightly, okay, don't just drop it, add it lightly. So I added some onions, then some sausage. You can use salami, anyone that you have, okay, but I love this sausage, it's very tasty, okay. So after that I added the other mozzarella on top of it. like I said, you can add it where you want, your choice, whatever you can add. Olive, I would have added olive, but I don't have at home that moment, so I sprinkle the other mozzarella on top of it, guys. You know, it makes it some juicy, delicious. Okay, so now I added the basil leaf on top of it. The aroma is amazing. So guys, this is how it is. I just make some design around the pizza just to give it a cut. Okay, you know, give the demarcation between the vegetables and the pizza liquid at the end of the pan. So I sprinkle some tomatoes on top of it, the sauce, cover it. So I'm going to put on the burner. Reduce your burner to the medium heat so that it will not get burnt at the bottom. Okay, just set it to 3 or 4. Then after 45 minutes, look at what we have here. Okay, just be checking it. Open, check, and when you are checking it, if you open the pizza, you know you're going to have a lot of water vapor on your cover. Just remove the water. Don't allow the water to add into the pizza. So lovely, this is what we have here. We made this pizza and the pizza was amazing. Before you know it, everybody is enjoying this pizza. Thank you, lovelies, for watching this video. See you on my next video, okay, because I'm going to upload another beautiful and interesting video. Look at how beautiful it is. So delicious, so juicy. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and also click on the notification bell so whenever I uploaded these beautiful videos, you'll be the first to know. Thank you.